Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. The fat percentage of our body depends 80% on what we eat and only 20% on how much we exercise. One need not starve himself or herself to lose weight. All you need to do is eat the right food in correct quantities. So here I share with you my 12 tips. 12 tips that will help you lose weight effectively. First is eat the right amount of carbohydrates. In India, we eat too many carbohydrates. When we eat carbohydrates more than what our body can utilize, it gets converted to fat. But how do we know how many carbohydrates we have to eat to lose fat? Well, it's simple. Just find out your weight in kilograms and add 10 to it. These are roughly the amount of carbohydrates that you should be eating per day. For example, if my weight is 80 kgs, I should be eating around 80 plus 10, around 90 grams of carbohydrates to lose fat. Now you may ask how to calculate the amount of carbohydrates that we are eating per day. Well, there are a lot of free apps that will help you count your macros. Some of the best are Healthify Me and MyFitnessPal. You can download them or else you can Google. You know Google has answers to almost everything. Now when I say carbohydrates, I mean complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are basically whole grains. They are high in fiber and helps reduction of fat. I have talked about complex carbohydrates in detail in my grocery shopping video, the link to which is down in the description. Second is eat enough protein. Protein not only helps in muscle building but also reduction of fat. When we eat protein, body finds it a little difficult to break it down. So eating protein keeps us satiated for a longer period of time and we do not crave for other foods. Moreover, protein is essential for daily repair of the body, skin and hair health. So even if you're not working out, you need protein in grams equal to your weight in kilograms. For example, if my weight is 80 kgs, I should be eating around 80 grams of protein per day. And if I'm working out, I should be eating double of it. Third is eat healthy fats. I've seen people stop eating healthy fats like almonds and peanut butter thinking that it will make them gain weight. Well, that is not true. Actually, good fat cuts bad fat. Moreover, body needs the daily dose of essential fatty acids. So make sure you eat around 50 to 60 grams of healthy fats every day. Next is include raw vegetable salad. This is extremely helpful to cut the lower belly fat. A raw vegetable salad may comprise of carrots, cucumbers, cabbage, beetroots, etc. Just sprinkle lemon juice on it and it is good to go. You can include it half an hour before lunch, dinner or both. Trust me, you will be surprised to see its benefits. Fifth is switch to low-fat dairy. Dairy products are loaded with saturated fat. Our body does not require more than 15 to 20 grams of saturated fat per day. So it is advisable to use low-fat versions of milk, curd, cottage cheese and other dairy products. Next is use cooking sprays. Since long we have been using too much oil for cooking. When oil burns, it gets converted to bad fat. Using a cooking spray will reduce your daily oil intake significantly. Zero-calorie cooking sprays are easily available in the market these days. I have linked one down in the description. Next is drink enough water. Practice drinking 3 liters of water every day. Make sure to drink water in between the meals and not with meals. Drinking enough water keeps the metabolism up and promotes reduction of fat. Next is do not skip breakfast. Well, some people may disagree, but I believe in the studies which suggest that skipping breakfast makes you gain weight. This is because when you skip breakfast, your body craves for food throughout the day and you actually end up eating more food. Not only this, skipping breakfast has other harmful effects on the body. So instead of skipping the breakfast, I would suggest you to keep it heavy and balanced. Next is sleep. Science has confirmed time and again that lack of proper rest can affect your waistline. Sleep deprivation affects your brain in such a way that your body craves for more food but does not process it efficiently. So make sure you have a sound sleep of 7 to 8 hours daily. 10th is workout. Regular exercise will speed up the fat loss process. So try to spare at least 30 minutes in the morning or evening to work out. Weight training surely helps, but your focus should be on cardio. I have posted some videos which may help you lose fat at home. Next is supplements. The only supplement that you may require is a whey protein isolate. Whey protein is a milk-based protein. It is safe and does not have any side effects. The best time to have whey protein is post-workout in water. However, if you do not work out, you can still have whey protein, especially if you are a vegetarian finding it difficult to complete your daily protein intake. There is no need to buy any fat burners. In this regard, I have shared a fat cutter drink recipe. Make sure you add that into your diet. Last but not the least, junk the junk food. Well, all the above points go for a toss if you are eating junk food regularly. One cannot stay on track if he or she eats regularly food outside. This is because the outside food is either loaded with sodium or sugar. Where sodium leads to water retention, sugar is nothing but empty calories. Once in a while is okay, but make sure you eat most of your food cooked at home. Even at home, you can use healthy alternatives to sugar and salt. Like instead of using the normal salt, you can use black salt or rock salt. You can fulfill your sugary cravings by having natural sweeteners like fruits, maple syrup, stevia, jaggery, raw honey, etc. So friends, follow these 12 tips and I assure you will see results coming your way. So friends, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Well, if you did, do give it a thumbs up. And also please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.